So hello everyone, it's me James, your laser specialist here in DMC, Takasasi branch. So I made this video because someone messaged me. I received a message from a co-laser specialist from Dubai asking me what is the right calibration for the machine when it comes to mixed parameter. When it comes to parameters in all the machines, laser machines in hair removal, we have the common parameters which is the Alex and YAG, but the Duetto has a feature of mixed parameter. It's a combination of Alex and the YAG. Okay, I will show you in the screen. There is Alex, YAG, and mix. Okay, YAG, Alex, and mix. Okay, guys. So the YAG, I mean the mixed parameter. Alex is for the lighter skin, YAG are for the dark skin, and mixed are for those who has the skin type of the not so light and not so dark. So it's in the middle, the color. Okay, the brown skin color. So my advice to him when it comes to calibrating the parameters, because for me, in my own opinion and as my own knowledge, it always comes back from the basic, which is the proper assessment of the skin type and the type of hair of the patient. So if you have a good assessment for skin and the hair that the patient has, you will be able to give them the right result. Okay, you will give them a good result. So each type of skin and type of hair is also a different parameters for them. Example, for the skin type 1 or 2, with fair hair or the light hair, it has a different parameters. Light skin and dark, dark and thick hair, it also has a different parameter. Dark fine, dark strong hair, that's a different parameter. But when it comes to the mix, also you need to have a good skin and hair assessment. This is always my advice to the new technicians. Always come back from the basic, because this is very, very important. If you are a laser technician, if you always do this kind of assessment, you'll be able to give to your patient a good results that they are aiming. Okay? Because it doesn't mean that all the parameters that you are using is suitable for all the patients. No, it's a big no-no. Okay? First, always check. If you don't know, you can download the Fitzpatrick scale of the skin types, and also you can also check the different types of hair. Okay? It's very, very, very important. So also in the machine, you can see the fluence, which is how strong it is, and the fluence, the pass duration of how long it will take on your skin. Okay, the more darker and strong hair, the longer it is. Okay, the more lighter, the shortest pass duration. Okay, so it's very, very important. Don't forget this, because it really, really helps a lot when it comes to good results. Because mostly of the patients, they keep on saying that why like this, and also don't forget to tell your patients that it's not 1, 2, or 3 sessions only. It's more. It depends with the body and how to respond with the treatment. It varies from person to person. Okay? That's it. I hope you learned from my feedback.